Hi friends, in this video we will learn that how to configure site-to-site VPN with RSS signature and using IOSCA. Okay, so you can see here I'm going to highlight it. Yeah, IOS site-to-site VPN with RSS signature using IOSCA. For that we will use the same topology R1, R2. They are connected to each other via ISP. In this or at this time we will use ISP as a NTP and IUSCA server. Okay, our NTP server and IUSCA server will be ISP. Okay, in your real environment it can be public or private, so I am using here as a public. Okay, now let's talk about the IP addresses. IP addresses are same: show IP int brief, show IP route static, show IP int brief, show IP route static. Or you can also check, is there anything configured or not previously? Nothing. Apart from IP addressing, nothing is configured. Okay, so when we are talking about IUSCA, first of all you have to set the time. Go to ISP, clock set 072700 7 Feb 2016. To configure it master, command is ntp master. Now ISP is ready as a ntp server. You have to go to R1 and put command ntp server. Go to same R2 ntp server. Okay, you have configured R1 and R2 as NTP client. Now we have to configure ISP as a CA certificate authority. Go to ISP, then crypto key generate RSA general key exportable label any name and module length 1024. After it you have to put command crypto key export RSA, then name, yes, we will save in NVRAM, then encrypt with 3DS, and the key will be test 1234. Public keys, yes, private keys, as I told you or as I demonstrate you that how to configure site IUSCA. At that time I told you whenever we will configure crypto keys, then two types of keys are generated: public key and private key. The same, first of all we have to generate here crypto keys with any name and define module length. Now they are ready for future use. What we are doing, crypto keys, export crypto keys with the name of this label and save them in NVRAM, protect them with 3DS, and key is test123. Now it is saving Shiva Pub and private. You can put command dir NVRAM. Now you can see yes. Okay, when we will use a client or when a client will enroll itself to obtain CA that will use HTTP, then you have to put command IP HTTP server. Let's start CA configuration, crypto PKI server, whatever, test database level minimum, database URL. Yes, you have already defined a location. Okay, whenever you will issue the certificate, common name is equal to test1.test.com, location is equal to Pune, and country code is equal to India. You can use any name here. I am using this one. Lifetime certificates, whenever you will provide certificates, yes, provide certificate for 1 year, and granting mode is auto, means when someone make a request automatically grant that certificate. Okay, then after it no shutdown. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yes, it is saying clearly that certificate server is enabled. Show crypto PKI server. Yes, you can see done. Then you, okay, your NTP already configured, C already configured. Now we have to obtain certificate at R1, crypto PKI trust point. You can use any name, enrollment URL, HTTP and CA IP address. Then crypto CA authenticate. First of all, you have to authenticate it. Yes. Crypto CA enroll triple T. After authentication, you have to enroll. Just okay. What you can do? You can go to ISP, crypto PKI server. Yes, name is what we have configured here, test. Then you have to put password, generate. Okay, now you can see the password is here. Copy it and go to R1, right click, enter, right click, enter, no, no, yes. Yes, certificate received. Do show history. Same commands you can use here. Put, select them and then go to R2. Enroll. Yes, asking for password. Go to ISP. Put the same command. It will provide you new one-time password. Copy it. Go to R2. Right click. Enter. Right click. Enter. No. No. Then yes. Yes, certificate received. Here, certificate received. Show crypto PKI certificate. Yes, certificate status available, and CS certificate is also available. Issues a name to whom that is provided. Okay, then what we can do, we can use it for VPN. Then how we can use it for VPN? Same crypto ISGAN policy 1 authentication. Whenever you are using certificate, authentication mode must be RSA signature. Okay, encryption hash group lifetime crypto IPsec transform set mod tunnel crypto IPsec profile do show history. So what we have to do, same you can use here. I'm going to use it with yes VTI. Okay, then authentication encryption hash group lifetime transform set and profile. Then you have to use interface tunnel 0 IP address 192.168.1.1. Yes, tunnel source public tunnel destination public tunnel mode GRE over IP. We are using here GRE over IP. Then tunnel protection IPsec profile. Shiva, you done. Do show history. Okay. Then what we can do to simplify your configuration, what we can do here, yes, copy these one and go to R2, paste them. Okay, then interface tunnel 0 IP address 1.2 tunnel source public tunnel destination public tunnel mode. Then yes, tunnel protection IPsec profile Shiva, same here as you used. Okay, 1.1, then tunnel source tunnel destination tunnel mode and tunnel protection IPsec profile. Then you have to go to, yes, you have to go to R2 to show history. Then yes, IP address 1.2 tunnel source it's public tunnel destination peer public tunnel mode GRE over IP and tunnel protection IPsec profile Shiva. Okay, then you have to put command show IP int brief. Yes, what it is saying, the tunnel status is up. Show IP int brief, tunnel status is up. So what to do? Check 1.1, 1.2 working. So you can use any routing protocol here. I am going to use EIGRP, no auto summary, summarize both lane and tunnel, do show history. So you can copy this and you can paste to R2. Now you can see the EIGRP neighborship is complete. Show IP, EIGRP neighbor, yes, show IP route, EIGRP. Let's check the reachability with the peer. peer lane, not peer, because peer is already public, has public IP address, they are reachable. Now we have to check the reachability from R1 lane to R2 lane. Show crypto IceCamp SA, show crypto IPsec SA. Yes, you can see more than 100 packets encrypted and decrypted. Thank you.